Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a zip file directly in Google Drive in 2025, quickly, easily, and without any confusion. If you've ever received a zipped folder and didn't know how to view its contents without downloading extra software, this guide is for you. Stay tuned, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to open any ZIP file right inside your Google Drive like a pro. Let's get started. First, open your Google Drive account and locate the ZIP file you want to access. If the file isn't already there, simply drag and drop it into your Google Drive or use the New button to upload it from your computer. Now here's the important part. Google Drive doesn't automatically extract zip files, but it does let you preview their contents. Just double-click on the ZIP file, and a preview window will open. You'll see a list of all the files contained inside that ZIP. From here, you have two main options. Preview the files. If the files are supported, you can open them one by one without extracting the whole ZIP. This is great for quick access to documents, images, or PDFs. Extract the zip. To fully unzip the folder, you'll need to use a connected app or a third-party integration. The most popular one is Zip Extractor, which is free and works seamlessly with Google Drive. Click on the Open With drop-down at the top. Select Zip Extractor and allow it to run. It will extract all the files into a new folder in your drive. Once the extraction is complete, you can organize, rename, or share the files just like any other Google Drive document. This method is secure, fast, and works on both desktop and mobile versions of Google Drive. And that's it. You've just learned how to open a ZIP file in Google Drive without any hassle. Whether you're accessing it for school, work, or personal projects, this method keeps everything online. No extra software needed. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.